Hello YouTubers, here we are, back to part 3. Right, I have used a, so we get on the camera, so you can see that, 7mm drill bit, you can see that in the highlight, drill bit. Now what I've done, drill on the highest part, straight through, so as I said in the previous video, to bypass the catalytic converter and silencer chamber, just to get a bit more sand mainly, but hopefully, maybe, a bit more performance. Anyway, I've just drilled it out by 0.7. I will try maybe going up the side, but for now, sounds easier. So, there we have it. 3, hopefully power gains. If not, spare exhaust go back on it. Hope this video has been useful to certain people. I hope you give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.